In this tutorial, I'll go over email alerts. They're one of the main features of our platform. What you would do is you would create a user. So we've created multiple users over here in our account, email addresses, names, what have you. Then what you would do is you would go to a user ID and you would assign that user or that user ID with that particular user. So this one will show that two are linked to it. This one is showing that there's one link to it. The way that you would go ahead and do that is either here you would go and use the edit feature and find the route to assignments section, and that's where you'd add that. And that's the same thing you'd use when you go and create a new user ID. You'd go to our users, assign this, and you would go there. Now, there's a few things that will happen when you do this. As soon as you assign a user to a user ID, when that user logs in to mycloud.clouddictation.com, they'll be able to see all the files associated with that user ID. That's the first thing. The second thing is they can get email alerts. However, if they want to turn those alerts off and only come into the portal and download files, they have the ability to go right here, go to their notification settings, and then just turn notification settings on. That means they won't get notified every time a new file is generated, but when they go in once a day or twice a day into mycloud.clouddictation.com, all those files will be right there so they can view them, download them. Now you as an owner or administrator, what you can do is when you create a user, let's say you go and add a new user, of course you put in what type they are. So let's say you want to create another team member, and let's say that this team member wants to go in and just log in twice a day or once in the morning, once at night, just view all the files that are there and download them. After you fill in their account information, what you would do is you would just turn new file notifications off. Just leave it off. They won't get alerts. So their status would be on, but you would leave alerts off. They won't get alerts. That way users can log in and they can see files using our interface, but they won't get alerted every single time a file is generated.